Hello to Calibrate Apple Watch Series 10. For more accurate activity and workout tracking, follow these steps. So first of all, we have to start by opening the settings. Now start scrolling and you have to search for privacy and security. Go to the location services and right here, be sure that you turn on this switcher of location. And right now, there's also a second way how we can calibrate this device, by walking or running. So we have to find an open area with good GPS reception, and we have to simply click on the settings and we have to go for the workouts, and we have to start an outdoor walk or run. So for example, outdoor walk. There we go. You can start it. You have to put your Apple Watch on your wrist, and you will have to walk or run for like 20 minutes. You have to make sure that you move at a natural pace, and this helps our Apple Watch 10 to learn our stride length, speed, and other metrics. And this is the only way how you can actually calibrate your Apple Watch Series 10. And by repeating this process, if you are gonna run, for example, every 2 days, then it will significantly improve, the tracking of your activities. So that will be all. Thanks for watching.